Assalamu alaikum. Hope all the students are fine. Today our topic is about ring the bigger number for each. We have to ring the bigger numbers. Okay. Now first question, here we have 18 and 8. You'll see that one number is 2 digit and one number is single digit. So when we have to circle the bigger number, you will remember that always 2-digit number is bigger than single digit number. Always 2-digit number is bigger than 1-digit number. So here 18 is bigger. Now 4 and 41. So it is 1-digit number, it is 2-digit number. So 41 is bigger. 7, 26. 26 is bigger. 13, 9. 13 is bigger. Now you can see in E part that both the numbers have 2 digit. Okay, 14 made of 2 digits, 20 made of 2 digits. So when both the numbers have 2 digits, we compare their tens place. Okay, it is ones, it's tens. We compare their tens place. We see tens place of both the two numbers. You can see here it is 1 and here it is 2. So which is bigger? 2 is bigger. So we will circle 20. Now 48 and 22. So 48 is bigger. 18, 40. 40 is bigger. 32, 23. 32 is bigger. Why? Because both are 2-digit numbers and when we compare their tens place, 3 is bigger. Now if both the numbers are 2-digit numbers and their tens place is same, or we can say equal. See here, both the tens place we have 2, so it is same in both cases. Then what we do, we compare their ones place, 1 and 7. So which is bigger, 7 or 1? 7 is bigger, so 27. Similarly 43 and 48. 48 is bigger. 36 and 32. 36 is bigger. 25 and 29. 29 is bigger. Now ring the biggest number. One has been done for you. Biggest number. See, small, big, bigger, है ना. इन तीनों में सबसे बड़ा जो नंबर है उसी को हमें सर्कल करना है. 18, 48, 33. So 48 is bigger. 25, 49, 29. 49 is bigger. 11, 25, 46. 46 is the biggest number. 20, 39, 17. 39 is the biggest number. 41, 45, 43. 45 is the biggest number. Now dear students, you are able to check out the smallest number and biggest number. Now we have to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Means we have to write the numbers from small, then big, then bigger, then biggest. Okay, that means from smaller टू बिगेस्ट. देखिए छोटे से बड़ा, पहले छोटा फिर उससे बड़ा फिर उससे बड़ा फिर उससे बड़ा नंबर है ना, स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगेस्ट एंड फ्रॉम बिगेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट. सी फर्स्ट बिगेस्ट, देन बिगर, देन बिग एंड देन स्मॉलेस्ट. बड़ा फिर छोटा फिर उससे छोटा फिर सबसे छोटा. ओके, नाउ the exercise is arrange these numbers in order. One has been done for you. See, 19, 18, 17, 20. We have to arrange them from smallest to biggest, means छोटे से बड़ा. 17, then 18, then 19, then 20. Okay, and here we have biggest to smallest, means पहले बड़ा फिर उससे छोटा फिर उससे छोटा फिर उससे छोटा. Now here we have 46, 44, 47, 45. So we will write 44, then 45, फिर इससे बड़ा 46 and then 47. Now when we'll go from right to left, it will be biggest to smallest. Okay, so first of all 47, then 46, then 45, and then 44. Now again here you see 39, 37, 38, 40. So first of all we have to check the smallest number. Which is the smallest number here? सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन है यहाँ पे? 37. So you write 37. Now उससे बड़ा 38. After that 39 and 40. Now from biggest to smallest, बड़े से छोटा. So first of all 40, then 39, then 38, then 37. मीन जब हम इसको उल्टा लिखेंगे तो ये बनेगा biggest to smallest. We have to reverse the numbers. It will become biggest to smallest. Now 23, 24, 25, 22. So सबसे छोटा कौन है यहाँ पे? Which is the smallest? 22. So you write 22, then 24, sorry 23, 24, and then 25. So here we have to write biggest to smallest, means we have to reverse this. 25, 24, 23, 22. Now 28, 30, 31, 29. So which is the smallest number here? 28. Then 29, उससे बड़ा. Then 30, उससे बड़ा. 31. Now we have to reverse this. 31, 30, 29, 28. Hope everyone has understood it. You will practice both the ways. Allah Hafiz.